guys, so today I got my Sephora Play Smarts box. Apparently this is going to be a new box available on Sephora's website for $20, and it's going to be a monthly box, I believe. It's kind of like their other limited edition box, the All-Stars box I think it was, but this one comes with smart cards, and it teaches you how to use each product, and then on a certain day they are going to do an exclusive live stream for everybody who bought the box where they are going to be demoing all the products. So I think this would be a really nice box for people who don't necessarily know how to use these products and would like a demonstration. At the time of filming this video, this box is still in stock. It is not sold out yet, so if you're wanting to get it, I would definitely get it before it does sell out. And let's get into it. Okay, so first we have our Play Smart cards, and this one is the Glitter Eyes for Real Life theme. And right here it tells you where and when is the live stream they're going to do for this box, so that you can watch and learn how to use all these products. So each product in here has a corresponding card and how to use it. So I will pull out the card that corresponds to the product I am getting out of the bag, and we will read all about it. Okay, so first, here is the bag. This is beautiful. It is one of those reversible sequin bags. So one side is rose gold and then the other is silver. I love these kind of bags. I have a pillow like this because you could just play with these forever. It's great. I love the bag. Love it. Okay, so the first product in here is this Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. So glitter eyes in real life, this makes sense. Let's pull out the corresponding card for this and read about what it says. Okay, so here is the card for the Stila Magnificent Metals. This is in the shade Kitten Karma. This says it's a metallic liquid eyeshadow in a peachy champagne shade packed with copper and silver glitter. When, morning, evening, or anytime, who needs a reason to sparkle? How, apply with included wand or eyeliner brush. Why, this liquid eyeshadow is a true glorious glitter, but its water-infused formula dries down quickly for a total control and minimal fallout. Okay, and all on the back there is a picture showing you how you can use this. So I already have this in a slightly bigger size. Got this in a travel set, so here is the difference in size for you. This is the Sephora Play and this is the one I have. So here are the three sizes for you. This is a full size, this is the size that I got in a set of 3, and then this is the Sephora Play. I still think this is a pretty good amount. I mean, most people don't wear glitter every day, but I feel like you'd get your fair amount of uses with this. And this is a really pretty shade. I will swatch the one that I have so I don't have to open that new one. So it has this nice flat doe foot. And here is the glitter. It's a really opaque glitter. It's almost like a rose gold shade, but they do have another shade of these that's called Rose Gold Retro that is more rose gold. But this one is really pretty. It's one of my favorites and it's their most popular shade, so obviously they included this one. It's very metallic, very glittery. It's just great. I love this. Okay, and the next thing in here is this Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. So let's pull out the corresponding card for that. Okay, here is the card for the Ole Henriksen. This is a brightening eye cream that targets fine lines and disguises dark circles with its yellow hue inspired by banana powder. It says to use in the morning before makeup or at night before bed. Apply to the under eye area with ring finger. This brightening eye cream is perfect base for under eye concealer and essential especially if any glitter travels south throughout the day. So here is the back of the card. It says hack your eye cream, dab onto a cotton swab to clean up any eye makeup gone astray. Store the jar in the refrigerator for double the depuffing action. Pat gently using your ring finger to avoid tugging at the delicate skin. Use it to defend against signs of aging around your lips and forehead. So let's swatch this and see how brightening it really is. Here is the jar, just a little itty bitty sample. It is yellow. I'm going to take a bit of that. And here is the eye cream. It does have a yellow tint to it, just a slight one. So I do think it would be nice at brightening under your eyes, and it does feel very moisturizing. And like it said on the back of the card, eye creams are really nice for around your lips because your lips and the under eyes are the same kind of skin. So I would definitely, whenever you're done patting in eye cream, I would definitely drag the excess down and put it around your lips. Okay, the next thing in here is this Sephora Collection Contour Eye Pencil in black, and they have sent us this in a Sephora Play before, so I already have this. I will swatch the one I have. Yeah, so here's the one that I have been sent a while ago. This is a pretty good eyeliner. It is waterproof. Okay, so here is the eyeliner swatched. It's very creamy, very black. So I know Sephora kind of shoves their products down everybody's throat in their Sephora Play boxes, but they do have a lot of very good products, so I wouldn't just throw them to the side. Let's see what the card says. Okay, so here is the card for the eyeliner. It says a silky black eyeliner pencil that lasts up to 12 hours with its water-resistant formula. Apply morning, evening, anytime. Black eyeliner is timeless. Apply to lid directly from pencil, smudge with a finger. Black eyeliner is a staple in all kinds of looks, but this pencil's matte finish is the perfect contrast to the glittery goodness in the rest of your box. So here is the back. Just shows you what you can do with it. I feel like it'd be kind of hard to do a wing liner with this pencil. Okay, so next thing in here is this Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. I have tried this and I do like it a lot. Here is what the tube looks like. So here's the brush. It's like one of those plastic ones and it's pretty flexible. It's really nice for getting the lower lashes because you don't stab yourself in the eye. But I do think that's a pretty good mascara. It can get kind of clumpy if you're not careful, so I would only apply 2 coats at most. I wouldn't layer it more than that. Let's see what the card says for that. Here is the card. An ultra lightweight mascara that uses aero particles derived from space technology to add volume and length without clumping. That's some bold claims. Morning, evening, anytime. There's always time for mascara. Apply with included wand. This long-wearing formula is loaded with provitamin B5 to promote natural growth and perfect sidekick to your Grand Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum. So that's just telling us another product we got. Here is the back of the card. So this comes with a little cutout card so that you can apply eyeshadow and mascara to avoid getting it on your under eyes. I feel like that would be really nice. So if you're applying the glitter, it says you can put it under there to avoid shimmery cheeks. Or I mean, just when you're using any eyeshadow, I feel like that would come in handy. Okay, next thing in here is this Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum. This box sounds empty. Okay, the box is empty. All we have is this little paper and then no Grande Lash. Empty promises, Sephora. So I'm sure they'll replace that for me if I email them, but let's just read what it's about, I guess. Here is the card for it. It says it's an award-winning lash-enhancing serum that promotes rapid growth with vitamins, amino acids, and antioxidants. Use as the last step before bed. Apply to the lash line with included brush. Glitter can still your lashes thunder, so we included this serum to help you grow your own, especially since extensions can get expensive. Okay, so here is the back side. It says remove all eye makeup before application. Wipe excess product off of the brush. Brush along the skin closest to the lashes from the inner corner out. Use every night before bed until it's gone. And apparently this is a 6-week supply if you actually get your product in the box anyways. And the last thing in here is this Bite Beauty Multi-Stick in the shade Rose Pearl. Ooh, that's pretty. So let's swatch this somewhere. Swatch it right here. Gotta build it up quite a bit apparently. But there it is. It's got a nice iridescent pink shift. It's like a bronze shadow with a pink shift to it. Yeah, that's really pretty. Let's see what the card says. It says it's a surprisingly wearable shimmery multi-stick that changes its tone depending on the light and angle. Use morning, evening, anytime. Glitter knows no bounds. Apply to lids, cheeks, or lips directly from tube or with finger. This stick is the perfect introduction to sparkly lids with its subtle shimmer on-trend shade and easy application. And here it's showing you how you can use this. They say a holographic hint. This is not holographic, don't lie. Okay, so that's all of the products, and then also on the back of this card you get your 50 extra insider points like you do with the regular Sephora Play. So that's pretty cool if you're planning on making an in-store purchase. I really like all of these products. It's more eye focused obviously for the theme. I mean, the only thing I'm kind of ticked off about is that I didn't get my lash serum. But the multi-stick is really pretty. I really like that, just a bronze and pink shift. The Stila Kitten Karma I already have, but I do love the shade. The eyeliner I do already have as well, but it is a very creamy eyeliner. It's very nice. And the Banana Eye Cream still feels super moisturized right here. And I will definitely use that. I love eye creams. They are amazing. The mascara I also already have, but I mean, it's not like Sephora knows that. It's not their fault. So if you don't already have any of these products, I would definitely recommend checking it out if you are looking to do glitter on your eyes and you don't necessarily know how, because along with these cards, they are going to have a live stream teaching you how to use these products. And it's not sold out yet, but it will be soon, I'm sure. So let me know if you plan on getting this box or if you already have, and I will see you in my next video.